My dear students, welcome to English class. Today we will be studying lesson number 5, adjectives. So let's see what is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or tells us something more about a noun. It is also called a describing word. So what is an adjective? Adjective, in short, we can say it is what? A describing word. Why it is called as describing word? Because it describes what? It describes a noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Adjective क्या करता है? Noun को describe करता है. इसीलिए उसे क्या बोलते हैं? A describing word. Example here first is a fat boy. Here the word fat is an adjective. Why? Because it is showing the quality or the characteristic of a boy. That how is a boy? Boy is fat. So fat is what? An adjective. Second one is a big house. How is house? House is big. So big is what? A describing word. Means it is what? An adjective. A red car. What is the color of a car? Color of a car is red. So here the word red is adjective. Understood? What is an adjective? Adjective is a word that describes or tell us something more about a noun. अगर कोई word जो हमको person, place, एनिमल और थिंग के बारे में ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, उसे डिस्क्राइब करता है, तो वैसे वर्ड को वी कॉल इट एज व्हाट? वी कॉल इट एज एडजेक्टिव. नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 5.1 इज काइंड्स ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. There are total 7 kinds of adjective. How many kinds of adjective are there? Total 7. First is quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, and last one is distributive. Now first one is quality. What is the quality? Quality adjective, it states the quality of a noun. Question is what kind of? Quality adjective is that adjective which describes the quality of a noun. जो quality बताता है. Example, good, red, square, old, etc. If I say he is a good boy, वो कैसा बॉय है? गुड है. तो गुड क्या कर रहा है? उस बॉय का क्वालिटी बता रहा है, राइट? इट इज शोइंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ अ बॉय. सो हियर द गुड इज व्हाट? एन एडजेक्टिव. अंडरस्टूड? सो इट इज ए व्हाट? क्वालिटी एडजेक्टिव. नेक्स्ट वन इज क्वांटिटी. क्वांटिटी मीन्स हाउ मच, कितना. स्टेट्स द क्वांटिटी ऑफ एन अनकाउंटेबल नाउन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सम, मच, little, enough, etc. If I say example, I don't have enough time. मेरे पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है. Enough. So here enough is what? Quantity adjective. Third one is number. It states the quality of a countable noun. Quantity क्या करता है? Uncountable noun का बताता है. और number it shows how many of countable noun. Example, many, two, fifth, etc. For example, I have 2 apples. So here 2 is what? An adjective. Now fourth one is demonstrative. It points out or refers to a noun. Means which. ये means कि कौन सा है. Like this, that, these, those. Okay, it points out. Point out करता है. Now next one is interrogative. Interrogative means to ask a question. Ask the information about the noun. कि वो क्या करता है यहाँ पे? Interrogative adjective means ऐसा word जो question पूछता है. Okay, like example is which, what, whose. Now possessive. Possessive it shows what? Possession. Possession means what? क्या? To whom it belong. वो किसका है? Whose. Whose it is, to whom it is belonging. Example, my, yours, her, his, its, our, theirs. Okay. Now last one is distributive. Distributive refers to each one or both. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव मीन्स टू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट, ओके, मतलब ये किसको किसको है, किस या किसका किसका है. एग्जाम्पल ईच, एवरी, ईदर और, नीदर, नॉर. Understood? How many kinds of adjective are there? There are 7. Quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive and distributive. Now point number 5.2 is order of adjectives. A noun may be described or qualified by more than one adjective. The adjective follows a particular order. It means that in a particular sentence there can be more than one adjective. एक पर्टिकुलर सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा भी एडजेक्टिव रह सकते हैं एंड दे फॉलो अ पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर. ओके, जैसे यहाँ पे पहले पॉइंट क्या दिया है, क्वालिटी. क्वालिटी में क्या क्या आता है, मीन्स इट्स साइज, छोटा है बड़ा है. इट्स शेप्स, इस शेप मीन्स वेदर इट इज इन सर्कल शेप, ट्राइंगुलर, rectangular. Then its age, it is older or younger. Then color means it can be of any color, it shows the color. So origin means from where it has started or from where it has origin, जहाँ से वो, कहाँ से वो पैदा हुआ है. Then material कौन सा मटेरियल है और रॉ मटेरियल कौन सा यूज्ड हुआ है. एंड लास्ट वन इज क्वालिफायर. Example 1 is he wore his new red silk tie. He wore his new red silk tie. ओके, तो यहाँ पे क्या बताया गया है कि वो टाई कैसी थी, न्यू, रेड एंड सिल्क. So here the adjective are new. New is an opinion. Red is what? Color. And silk is what? Material. और किसके बारे में information दी गई है? About a tie. So a tie is what? It is a thing. Means it will come under which category? Noun. Okay. Second one is Sheena was a young, short, 10-year-old, mischievous girl. Here whose quality has been described? About Sheena. She is a girl, right? So Sheena and girl is what? A noun. And how is she? Which words are used to describe her? They are young. It is an opinion. Then short means of course a size. It can be short, long, right? Tall. Then what is the age? 10-year-old. 10-year-old means a particular age is been given. And mischievous is what? A quality. Mischievous means shararti. Okay. So here how many adjectives are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Third example is she wore a traditional Indian dress. So here she means a girl who wore a traditional. Traditional is an opinion, Indian is an origin, and dress is a noun. So traditional Indian is what? An adjective over here. Understood? Here we learn that there can be many adjectives in a particular sentence, okay, and that adjectives can be of a different kind. It can be quality में कौन से आते हैं? Size, shape, age, color, origin, material, qualifier. Okay. Now 5.3 is nouns and verbs as adjective. Sometimes what happen, nouns and verb can also act as an adjective. Noun अगर कोई सेंटेंस में क्या कर सकता है, कभी कभी एडजेक्टिव भी बन सकता है. इट ऑल डिपेंड अपॉन द सिचुएशन विच इज गिवन इन द सेंटेंस. फर्स्ट इज they built a stone wall around the house. So here they built a wall. But उन्होंने एक wall बनाई. बट वॉल किस चीज़ की बिल्ट हुई थी? डिस्क्राइब क्या कर रहा है वॉल को? स्टोन वॉल. तो स्टोन इज वॉट? स्टोन इज हियर एन एडजेक्टिव, बट we can say but stone is a thing, means it will come under noun category, but here the noun is used as what? An adjective. A noun function as an adjective and is followed by another noun. Here the word stone is a noun but it function as an adjective. Understood? Sometimes what happens? Sometimes the certain nouns can also be used as adjective. Now B point is verbs as adjective. Verbal participles, present and past participles often functions as adjective. ब्रेक का प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल क्या है? ब्रेकिंग. और पास्ट पार्टिसिपल इज ब्रोकन. स्लीप, स्लीपिंग, स्लेप्ट. फ्राइटन, फ्राइटनिंग, फ्राइटेंड. So present and past participle can also be used as what? An adjective. Okay. Example 1. The breaking news turned everybody. The breaking news. So here the news is a noun and breaking is what? A past participle. But the breaking news, न्यूज़ को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि न्यूज़ कैसी है? ब्रेकिंग है. ओके, तो वो ब्रेकिंग हियर इज व्हाट? एन एडजेक्टिव. अंडरस्टूड? A broken jar hurt the little child. A broken jar. जार कैसा है? ब्रोकन है, टूटा हुआ है, इसके वजह से चाइल्ड को हर्ट हुआ है. सो हियर द ब्रोकन इज़ वॉट? एन एडजेक्टिव. क्यों? क्योंकि वो जार के बारे में हमें पता चल रहा है कि वो जार कैसा है? टूटा हुआ है. इट इज़ अ डिस्क्राइबिंग जार. सो हियर broken is what? An adjective. Here the participles breaking and broken function as adjective. Understood? What do we learn? First of all, that adjective is what? Adjective means a describing word. Then there are the 7 kinds of adjectives. Then we learn that there are certain orders of adjective also. In a particular sentence there can be more than one adjective also, and sometimes nouns and adjective can also be used, nouns and verbs can also be used as what? Adjective. Hope you have understood this lesson. If you have any problem then comment down. Till then, take care. Bye bye.